I'll keep this quick and short. This is the last for the bid for the aspect of installing the Tach. I know I'd said I was trying to avoid drilling into the dash, but it ultimately ended up doing that over here on this side by the vent. I realized that this is actually a better spot versus drilling over here and having to drill through the this trim from the dash, which would have been a pain or made a mess. So yeah, this was way easier. I used my Dremel. It wasn't exactly completely straight. It was at a slight angle, but not too big of a deal. But unfortunately, I don't have any bolts or screws that were the right length to feed through there to keep the Tach secure. So, but I had plenty of zip ties, so that's what I ended up using, or I'm gonna use anyway. I already fed one zip tie through the bracket on the Tach, and it's through the vent. And I'm gonna use this other zip tie and feed it through, slide it up, and use it to keep the Tach nice and secure. So I'll do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, it was not too bad. It's on there nice and snug. Now it's just a matter of sliding the vent cover back on, and there we go. Now should be good to go. Thanks for watching. See ya.